what commodities are.
Agriculture is all linked in with human consumption because the commodities go to make the products that we eat and drink.
Really every commodity, carrots, potatoes,
Meat.
Wheat, corn, soybeans, like all the ones that are in the landline market report.
Learning has been really robust and they've really taken control of their own learning. So they've really embraced every challenge that we've set them.
I've actually quite enjoyed looking at the wool.
It's really interesting how long it takes and how many steps there are.
We went out to Dave Taylor's place and we looked at all the shearing sheds working.
And we learned how they shear the sheep and what they do with the wool.
At Waverley Woolen Mills, I learnt how they weave everything.
They had 270 little winders that they wound all the wool onto.
And they create like rugs, clothes, blankets.
We've really focused their learning before, during and after the excursions so that we've got evidence of their thinking.
We learnt that farming's not as easy as people think it is.
In the beginning, a lot of students thought that a farmer was predominantly male, maybe left school early, that they needed to drive a tractor. Thankfully, by the end of the unit, the students are quite feeling almost overwhelmed with the selection of skills that people have in the agricultural industry.
Constantly thinking of who can we get in to help, how can we connect with the community. It's totally changed my thinking.
So we have some really highly skilled parents in our community, particularly in the area of agriculture, who have guided us along the way. Their knowledge has been really valuable and it has helped to steer the course of the unit from time to time. Community is a massive thing in the PYP. It's really spotting the strengths of the people within the community and letting people feel like they have a really valuable contribution to make to student learning.